Hi guys, today I was making a slime. As you can see, it's crystal clear, not that crystalish clear. Yeah, I'm trying to make it a bit good. I added too much borax, but a little, and yeah, it's sticky. It's so sticky. The spoon wouldn't even come out that good. I put it in, it's stuck like glue, but I could see my camera a bit. I'm actually gonna poke it. Poke. Let's take this out, just get that off. I've never felt slime in my life. This is how sticky it is if I put my fingers in. I'm not gonna let this go dry. I'm gonna seal it off with a piece of plastic or something, because I have a plastic bag with me. This is my plastic bag. I'm gonna cut it so I could just cover it, take off the thing, the spoon, and then cover it. I'll do that a bit later because I don't know why. Yeah, it's too sticky. I need to put my fingers in and take it out. Sometimes that does not work. It feels like store slime, but it's actually not. I literally made this a few hours ago, and I'm still playing with it. I think it needs more borax. Anyway guys, if you want more slime reviews, this is my first slime review ever, so if you want more slime reviews, just click that like button. Comment down below of what type of slime should I make, glossy, fluffy, or whatever. I don't care, I'll try to make it. And bye.